Hello everyone. Today I will discuss on important topic energy conversations. What is energy? The simplest definitions of energy is the ability to do work. Energy is how things change and move. It's everywhere around us and takes all sort of forms. It takes energy to cook food, to drive to school and to jump in the air. Next, what is energy conservations? Energy conservations is efforts meant to reduce the consumptions of energy by using less of an energy service. This can be achieved either by using energy more efficiently or by reduce the amount of service used. Energy can be conserved by reducing wastage and losses, improving efficiency through technological upgrades and improved operations and maintenance. On a global level of energy use can also be reduced by stabilizations of population growth. Energy can only be transformed from one form to other, such as heat energy to motive power in cars or kinetic energy of water flow to electricity in hydroelectricity power plants. However, machines are required to transform energy from one form to other. In next slide, we will see appliances and which consume maximum energy at home. Air conditioner, heater, electric iron, refrigerator, washing machine, dishwasher, microwave ovens, induction cooker, monitor, desktop, tablets, smartphone, printer, mixer grinder. Next, other contributing factors to energy consumptions: using individual vehicles, leaving lights and fan on in transport. Littering means make a place or area untidy with rubbish or a large number of objects left lying about. Connecting to data when Wi-Fi is accessible. Next slide, negative effects of overusing energy. It increases carbon dioxide, high risk of climate change, power may cuts, more money will spend. In next slide, we come to know ways to save energy at the school. Put reminders to switch off fans and lights after use. Keep windows open for ventilations and lights. Switch off computers after use. Reduce air conditioner uses. In next slide, we come to know ways to save energy at home. Use natural light, change bulbs, turn off lights, unplug unused appliances, replace old appliances with energy saving ones, reduce reliability one's appliances, reduce hot water uses, reduce air conditioner uses, and other ways to save energy: carpool, public transport, connect to Wi-Fi at public places, switch off fans in trains when not in use, use dustbins, remove unwanted applications. Now will we know about water conservations. Water conservations is the practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water uses. Water conservation is important because fresh clean water is a limited resources as well as costly one. Conservation of these natural resources is critical for the environment. Next ways to save water: use minimum amount of water to bath, do not leave the tap running, check the leakage of water in toilets, avoid leakage of water from taps, set up rainwater harvesting, avoid unnecessary flushing the toilets. Next, foods for thought: save today, survive tomorrow, energy conserved in energy produced, spare a watt, Save a lot. Switch off to keep India switched on. Energy cannot be created but it can be destroyed. Save it. Today's wastage is tomorrow's shortage. The earth, water, and the air are not a gift to us from our parents but a gift for generations to come. Hence, we need to make energy conservation a habit. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.